Hi Marie, this is Shannon with Classy and Sassy Digital Marketing. One of my assistants spoke with someone with your company a couple weeks ago and said to go ahead and send this video over to you. So what this is a free customized video just kind of showing you how your website ranks and compared to others in your industry in your area and what you can do to kind of boost your ranking. So first of all, I wanted to let you know that on Google likes to see anywhere from 2,000 to 2,500 words of content on your home page. And in that home page, they like to see organic keywords. Organic keywords are what going to help your website rank on Google. So you have a great website. I love this video. It makes it stand out. There is a lot of white space on here, which is easy to fix too. But the content is there, which is awesome. Could probably use a little more content. And one thing I wanted to let you know is that pictures can be considered content as well. And as long as they are saved and applied correctly to your website, that'll be great. I've noticed that you do use WordPress. WordPress is an awesome program to use. That's actually what I use as well. So I pulled up your website in a program that we call Arifs or Arefs, depending on who you speak with. And this website is awesome. It's a paid website that we use to look and see how potential customers' website ranks, where they're lacking, where they may need help, but compare it to others in their industry as well. So on this, you have a UR of 17, a DR of 2.8, 201 backlinks, 49 referring domains, and only 89 keywords. So 89 keywords, that's one that we want to increase, and that will help drive you up in Google. And when I talk about Google, let's go here. This is what we call the map pack. The map pack is important. As you can see, the position you really want to be in is in this top 3. Most potential clients of yours are going to call the first 2 to 3 companies they see here for quotes or whatnot, and then it's up to them to close those and make those customers. Down here we call the organic listings. You definitely want to be on the first page of the organic listings. Again, that'll help drive your business up. One way to drive your business up in Google and rank higher is citations. Citations are basically your company name, phone number, and address, and those are very easy to obtain all over the place. I went ahead and pulled up a couple of competitor sites. Another great site here. They do have lots of content, some pictures. They could be using quite a few keywords. I'm looking here. Let's pull them up here too. So they have a UR of 23, a DR of 1.2, 216 backlinks, 43 referring domains, and 106 organic keywords. Excuse me. So looking here, AC repair, Alpharetta, 150 searches a month with a keyword difficulty of 8. Cost per click is $40. And then here's their traffic and their position. If you do business in North Point, Georgia, 20 searches a month. You could put more things around that, such as HVAC, like this one here has HVAC Roswell, Georgia, with a volume of 80 and a 0 KD. So that would be a good one to have if you do service Roswell as well. Here's another one. They have some content. They have lots of pictures, lots of content, which is great. They have a UR of 23, a DR of 8, 321 backlinks, 49 referring domains, and 64 organic keywords. Again, a lot of people are searching for them. In particular, AC repair, 150 searches a month, so that's a good one to have as well. So I'm looking here, 200. This would be a great one to have. Air conditioning repair, Roswell, 200 searches a month, so that's great with a KD of 0. So that having that keyword on your website will definitely boost you as well. I hope you found this video beneficial, and I'm hoping that you guys can use the tips and tricks in here. Please send me some feedback on the video. Let me know how I did and how you'll be able to utilize some of those tips and tricks. Thanks so much. Have a great day.